Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: Wi-Fi connected and iPad updated. Once confirmed, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Enter your Apple ID and password when prompted. Use Face ID or Touch ID to speed future sign-ins. Make sure two-factor authentication codes are accessible on a trusted device or phone number. If you're adding an account, choose Sign In and follow the on-screen prompts. This gets you into Icloud quickly, so you can access storage and sync options. Once signed in, tap Icloud to see all syncable services and why they matter. Toggle Photos to sync your library, enable iCloud Drive for documents, and turn on Contacts and Notes to keep data current across devices. Make deliberate choices. Photos and backups use the most storage, so check Manage Storage if you hit limits. If you need more space, upgrade your plan. Otherwise, delete old backups or large files. These steps ensure your data is protected and accessible everywhere you use iCloud. Finish by verifying sync. Open files, photos, or contacts and confirm recent items appear. If something doesn't sync, toggle the specific iCloud service off and on, or sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to force a refresh. Make sure the iPad has a stable internet connection and enough iCloud storage. Low space stops backups. If problems persist, check Apple System Status and restart your iPad. This one key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in, resolves most stubborn sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.